Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, in case you're new here, my name is Carol Moher and I do makeup tutorials. So today I'm gonna be showing you a very simple beginner friendly eyeshadow look. And as you can see, I'm starting first with my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm using a sponge to blend that out. After that, I take my JoannaK Cosmetics palette. I use these two shades, Transition and Chocolate. Transition as my transition shade. Using a fluffy brush, I put that transition shade just above my crease. And then I take that chocolate shade with a pencil brush and I place that on my outer V. After doing so, I take my fluffy brush and then I blend those two shades together. So here I'm just prepping my brush to put the shimmer shade on my lid, and I'm using a setting spray for that. This helps the shimmer to stick better on the lid, and I'm using the Cara Beauty palette. And I'm taking this most gold shade, not that one, the other one. I'm using that shade on my lid, and that is what I'll be packing on. I won't be taking this shimmer shade to the end of the eye. I'll just be doing it just as a cut crease, but I don't want it to look like a cut crease, so I'll blend that out. Put this shade until you are satisfied. So I take that same fluffy brush and I blend the shimmer and the transition shade out, because I don't want that harsh line. So as you can see, my right eye is blended, my left eye looks more of a cut crease, and that is what I don't want. So I'll just blend that out. If you don't want to blend it out, there's no problem, it's still a look. Yeah. After that, I take my liquid liner and I put that on my lid, and I'm not dragging it all the way as in a cat eye. I'm just putting that until the end of my eye. And also I take my mascara and lash out my lashes. With this sleek black eyeliner pencil, I put that on my waterline. Taking this small brush, I take that shade Chocolate from that same palette and I put it on my lower lash line just to smoke out the eyeliner. After that, I take that pencil brush I used and I take the Dancing Queen shade on that same palette and I put that on my brow bone, and then I mix it a little bit with Glow Getter because I noticed that the shimmer is disappearing in my skin, so that is why I use that. So that's just it for that eyeshadow look, guys. This is just me being extra. For my face, I use that primer all the time. It's a matte primer. If you're an oily skin person and you're looking for a matte primer, that is your primer. Also, a matte foundation will work for you. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, the shade 362, and this is also a matte foundation. So that's just it for this look, guys. I hope you get to try this eyeshadow look, and if you do, make sure to tag me your photos on my socials in the description box. You can check them out, and yeah, tag me, you guys. So that's it for this look. Popped on some lashes and a nude pink lip. And always remember to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Kwaheri.